think she just cut off. That ain't good. All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be driving this NAKTO. I think I'm pronouncing that right. I think in the last video, I don't think I pronounced it right, but NAKTO folding ox. We're going to drive this as far as I can go on throttle only. I have the battery fully charged. I looked at the website, and I think it says this thing goes 60 miles. So if it really goes 60 miles, I'm not going to do that all in one day. Really don't think it's going to go 60 miles. We're going to be going uphills, downhills. I'm going to be going full throttle as fast as it will go. And I probably will do some slower, like you're out for your normal ride, but you're using throttle only. So I have an app on my phone called Map Your Ride. So I'm going to put my phone here in this little holder, and we're going to map my ride. We're going to see how far this takes me, so that'll keep 100% accurate on how far I go. I'm going to see if I can reset the trip on the bike, so we'll see what that says. And my first trip I'm going to go is I'm heading to Taco Bell because I'm hungry, so I'm going to go get some food. So I hope you like this video. And if you didn't watch the first video on this, I do show you how to assemble this, and I talk a little more about this bike in the first video. So I will have a link to that at the end of this video, and I'll also have a link to this bike if you want to buy one of these. I will have that link down in my description and in my first comment. All right, let's start riding. All right, here we go. Turn the key on. Power up. And that's the odometer. Trip. Oh, looks like the trip is already at 0, 0, 0. And my power is full. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars.
Start workout.
Start workout. Hopefully you guys can kind of see that. All right, here we go. Full throttle. My phone says I'm going 23 to 24 miles an hour, and the bike says 21. So I don't think that's exactly right. I think I need to adjust my brakes. Oh, hang on. Jeez. Well, I think we went over a mile already. It says I still have full battery. At least I know you can go a mile. Oh, 2 miles. There's 2 miles. Full battery. Now I only weigh like about 162, 163. Uh-oh, here's a nice hill. I'm gonna slow this sucker down. 19 miles an hour. I'm still not pedaling. Some backwood country roads. Good old Pennsylvania. Holy crap, this isn't where I thought I was going. We're going this way though. Hang on boys. Ooh, this is really steep. Oh, she still goes up it though. Oh yeah. It's been raining like every day here. It sucks. How many of you guys are from Pennsylvania? Down this hill, I'm going to the right. Full throttle. Woo, 24. Let's see how many miles we went so far. It still says full battery. Oh, I just lost one bar. 1 bar, and I went 4.6 miles. I don't know if that's good or bad. Oh, 2 bars. Not sure if that's good or bad. Not sure how this battery reads. Different bikes read different. Like, so if I let off this throttle, I bet you I'll get a bar back. Hang on, let me get up to this hill here. So let me let off the throttle. Oh, maybe, oh yeah, there, see I got a bar back. So it's, now it went full. So I don't know how much I can trust that. This is what my horn sounds like. Not very loud, but probably loud enough for somebody to get out of your way. See what we can get this thing going up to. I don't know if you can see that good. 21, 22, 23. Do not enter. This is where I'm going in. There's my dinner, Taco Bell. We're going in to eat. Well, I must have did something wrong with my trip because the trip's not registered. So good thing I got my map, my ride on here. See how many miles I've went so far. I'm all fueled up. Good quesadilla, chicken quesadilla, 7.5 miles. All right, so here we go. Let's start again. Does anybody recognize any of this? It's Kohl's Hardware right behind us. Sheets, AutoZone. Where can I go so I don't get run over? Anybody need some groceries? Some little goats over here. Hey, hey. I don't think they want to listen to me. Little baby goats. Yeah. Can you see them? Cute little suckers. Oh, he's trying to show off for me. Alright, we gotta get going. Have a good day. I think I need to adjust my front brake. My kids were riding this the other day. I think they were a little rough on it. Oh, 9.3 miles. And this thing still says I have 5 bars when I stop. Holy crap, maybe it does go 60 miles. Because we went, what I went, 11 miles I think. Alright, I'm on round 2. Let's get going. Now we're down by Walmart. Let's see if I can get up this big, huge, steep hill. Whoa, bump. Oh, I ain't no way it's gonna go up that. I'll go up on an angle. This little thing has more power than it seems. And when I hit the throttle, it's showing 3 bars. So I'm gonna have to be a little more careful. I don't feel like pedaling this thing back. The big old birdies. They don't even move. Catching any? Oh, good. Oh, squirrel. We have cruise control on this thing. If you hold this CUR button in and let go, cruise control. Maybe I'll do that for a while. Wish you could speed up. I wonder if I can speed up. Nope. So far I've went I think 14 miles. Oh, we're on cruise control. We ain't slowing down. I like this cruise control. Yeah, 14.5 miles. And I still have 3 bars. I'll let you know when I get to 2 bars. It's a new Tundra. Hope his engine don't blow up. We're down to 2 bars now, too. When you hit the brakes, it takes your cruise off. Oh, puppy. Can I pet the dog? Can I pet your dog? What are you doing, buddy? Look at you. You're like, yeah, I want you to pet me. Are you crazy? Come here. It's like, what the? Hi. You can get some scent on me. My dogs will go crazy when I get home. Have a good day. The water is up. Oh, yeah. Good old Susquehanna. Me and my boy put our boat in here before and caught a couple fish up here, some smallmouth. Never caught any catfish out here though. All right, let's get going. Still got 2 bars. Getting close, like 19.25 miles. Definitely gonna go over 20. There goes a jet. Ripping. Oh man, the river's high. I think this guy's done this before. That looked good to me. I was pretty impressed. All right, we're down to one bar. Oh, went back to 2, but it's the first time I've seen 1 bar. I'm gonna go a little further and I'm gonna start heading back to my truck. All right, now it seems like the bike is slowing down. I can only go 17, so I think I'm gonna turn around here. Oh, and I did fix my front brakes. I just loosened them up a little. Ooh, watch that. Let's see. Yeah, right here. If you loosen this up or tighten this up, if I go out, it's going to tighten my brakes up. You tighten this screw in. So I just loosened them up for now. I don't have to listen to them make that noise. Let's go. We are down to 1 bar. Hope I can get back to my truck. Uh-oh. I think she just cut off. That ain't good. Well, let's see. Well, I went, I don't know if you can see that, 21.71 miles. And then the bike just shut off. So when it starts getting down to 1 bar, when it starts getting to 2 bars, you might want to head back. So now it means I gotta pedal. I did get the bike to turn back on. I'm gonna keep it on like, I just swallowed a bug. Power assist 3. Holy crap, choke. I'm okay. We'll see if it'll get me at least a mile. All right, that didn't work that long. That sucks. You guys better please hit that thumbs up button or at least hit that subscribe button because my truck is really far away. I wonder if there's any fish in it. All right, this end of the video, I made it 21.72 miles. Almost 22 miles now. Like I said, I only weigh like 162 pounds. So if you weigh more than that, you may want to try to stick to, I don't know, 15 to 20 miles. Now I was definitely going up hills and down hills and I didn't pedal at all. So if you would pedal, I think you could probably go quite a bit further. Now when this gets down to like 2 bars left, when it hits that 1 bar, you don't have that much time left at all. So just to warn you of that. All right, well, thanks for watching this video. If this video helped you out with your NAKTO bike, folding ox, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and stay safe riding.